Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage account settings in reminders on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, tap on reminders, and then what you want to do is to go to the accounts. Then you can see which accounts can be logged into your reminders. So in my case this is iCloud, Outlook and Yahoo. So you can choose between if you want to have them and the synchronization or not. So let's touch iCloud right now, and as you can see, obviously for iCloud there's a synchronization all the time on. In the Outlook, as you can see, I do not have reminders synchronized, and in the Yahoo also, but I can turn it on just by clicking on the reminders right here. And this is going to work the same for every other type of account if you add them. So if you want to, for example, synchronize Outlook, just tap on the Outlook right there in the accounts and turn on the synchronization with reminders just by tapping on this button right here. So also you can on the bottom adjust the time when the new data is going to be fetched, so every time it is going to be synchronized. So you can set it to push, so it's going to be all the time, and this is going to drain you more money. And also you can adjust here with the every 15 minutes, 30, hourly or manually. Manually means every time you open the reminders, and automatically means all the time also. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.